In this tutorial, we prepared a step-by-step guide on how to extract an Evernote Note PDF attachment using PDF.co and Zapier. We will extract this PDF attachment in our note. First, click on the Create a Zap button at the upper left corner of your dashboard. Next, select the Evernote app for the app event. Under the Evernote app, select the new note to trigger when a new note is created. Now, connect your Evernote account to perform the Zap. Let's set up the trigger event. Under the Notebook field, select the notebook name to add the trigger. Now, let's add the PDF.co app to complete our Zap. Under the PDF.co app, choose the PDF merger to merge multiple documents into one new single PDF. Now, connect your PDF.co account to trigger the Zap. Let's set up the PDF merger configuration. In the list of a link to source PDF field, enter the attachment, or zip, to attach the PDF link from your Evernote note. In the Auto-Convert Non-PDF Files field, set to True to enable auto-convert. For the name field, enter your desired output file name. Let's send the Merge PDF configuration to PDF.co to test and review. Great! We got a successful test result. You can copy and paste the URL to view the output. Here's the Evernote PDF attachment that we successfully extracted from one of our notes. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.